Hi, thank you very much for watching My Little Life channel. In this channel, I introduce Japanese food and cooking from London. And in this video, I'll introduce my strong recommendation for the snacks. Japanese sweets and snacks has been quite popular last probably 10 or 15 years already. But I think you still come across with things you don't know. Maybe tend to buy same things always as a safer choice. So I went to Chinese cash and carry in North London and picked up very authentic and traditional snacks for Japanese people. But I think also those are very much recommendable for anyone who is not particularly big fan of Japanese taste or snacks. Let's get started. First one, Happy Turn. Light fried rice cracker with special seasoning. This snack is available on the market since 1976 and has been almost same format always. What's special about this snack is powdery seasoning around the rice cracker. They named it as a happy powder. It's quite addictive. The seasoning tastes like sugary and salty together. Next two is both rice cracker. But generally, rice cracker has two types. First one is harder type, like this one. This one called marudite senbei. Senbei means rice cracker. The hard version of rice cracker tend to be a bit boring unless you are very big fan of rice cracker. I recommend this one because it has black soya beans in it and it gives extra flavor. Compared with previous harder version of rice cracker, this is softer version, which actually I recommend more than the others. This is definitely lighter and easy to chew or eat, as if the rice cracker melt in the mouth. Usually, those lighter versions of rice cracker taste like just salt. Next one, corn-based snack called yakimorokoshi, which means corn on the cob. This snack is a recreation of the corn of the cob. Shape is look like this and tastes exactly like corn basically, or corn on the cob. This has got very strong corn taste and actually quite chunky and hard. When you bite it, you can really feel strong texture. Next one is strongest type of prawn cracker called kappa ebisen. This is quite different from ordinary prawn cracker you come across with a restaurant, because those prawn cracker is more like Indian papadam type of things, like very fluffy. This is basically snacks, has strong taste of those prawns. It's quite salty, whereas usually prawn cracker tend to have sweetness. Next one. This is one of the oldest snacks / biscuit since 1968. It's called Asparagus biscuit. Well, it says asparagus shaped biscuit. This is very basic biscuit. Tastes like slightly sugary, but almost like nothing. I'd say it's quite a healthy product, good for kids. Got sesame in it. It's another maybe healthy aspect. And got sprinkle of the salt around it, so it gives quite a nice salty taste. Finally, it's more like sweets, but I'd like to introduce here. It's called custard cream cake. In fact, Lotte is one of the biggest Korean companies, but this product itself has been very popular in Japan since, well said, 1989. And definitely I remember that it was available in Japan for a long time. Let me show you guys the inside. Well, I don't eat it like this usually. Inside is full of creamy custard, but outside is very fluffy and light. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and find it useful. Please check my other videos about Japanese cooking and culture. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and have a good day.